Greetings everyone, I'm Fabian Baroi from Bangladesh Catholic Students Movement. Hope you all are fine during this pandemic situation. I recently attended a workshop on Justice and SDG-16 organized by IMCS Asia Pacific. Nowadays, peace and justice are one of the most trending topics among the countries. Many organizations and countries are working continuously to establish justice in the society. I'd like to thank IMCS Asia Pacific to organize such a workshop to develop an idea on justice. It has really helped me to understand the ongoing crisis in our country as well as in other countries. The discussions and homeworks has helped me a lot to enrich my knowledge on many international topics. Hoping to attend more workshops from IMCS Asia Pacific in future. Thank you.